Hey everyone, this is Gab033. As you can see, I finally got an eagle! Woo! I didn't know what to put on it, so I just put a head feather and a couple wind armor. And this is Fluffy C333 that she just got off actually. He's my brother. That's him. Oops. Oh. Can't go to him. Yeah, that's my brother. He's 11. And as you can see, I went to the store that nobody else can get to. Which is kind of sad. It kind of bums me out, but oh well. But yeah. I'm like so excited because I waited for like for like a whole month to get an eagle because I only had 6 diamonds, and I was like, oh come on. Yeah, I was so excited today because I finally got 10 diamonds. Oops. So I'm so excited. So now I get to be an eagle. I get to fly around as a crazy eagle. And if you're wondering what this stuff looks like, an eagle. There's nothing. Swirls. That kind of weird Egyptian pattern. Splodges, spots, more splodges. Flames, lightning bolts, leaves, hearts, moons, stars, and bloody nothing. I like this one. Sorry if I'm like talking slow. Been doing that a lot lately. It's just like, I don't know. So yeah, this is about it for this video. I just wanted to show you that I got an eagle. Woo! Eagle power! Whoops. Now that was stupid. So yeah, I can fly wherever I want. Thank you, Evan. See, I have a iguana. I want y'all's opinion. I have an iguana. I found out today that it could be a girl iguana, which I'm not very happy about. See, I thought he was a boy, but I saw today that he doesn't poof out his cheeks. So I'm kind of trying to think of a name for him. So his name used to be Ivan. Now I was thinking if he turns out to be a girl, I was thinking about naming him like Ava, something like that. Avery. I don't know. Something that corresponds with his name. But if y'all could help me, that would be fantastic. I only had enough spots for 4 things because I have too much stuff. I don't really like these 2 things very much, but I like that, and that. So I bought them. So, yeah, that's about it. Let's see who messaged me. Well, thank you for watching. This has been Gab033. I'm signing off.